Hello, everyone. Jack Pershke, CEO and co-founder of Greatwave AI here. I just want to give you a really quick tour of our platform, outlining at each stage how it delivers the quality, usability, trust, control, and security and compliance that you'll need for most business use cases. Okay, so this is the initial screen, and it presents a single pane of glass through which you can see all of your agents. You can see we've got tons of them, and if you're planning to embrace generative AI, it won't be long before you do too. So, what do we mean by an agent? Well, it's simple. They're just bits of software that you can interact with using natural language, that are trained on a specific amount of knowledge and that can complete tasks. Building agents is actually pretty easy these days, and there are loads of ways of doing it. And I hope this video will show how using our platform is particularly suitable for organizations who'll be building lots of agents and really need to focus on ensuring they maintain trust and control while they do it. So let's spin up an agent quickly. It's as simple as clicking on the type of agent you want and then naming it, describing it, and clicking Save. The use case I'm going to take you through today is all about building agents trained on political manifestos. The end state we're looking for is an agent that can be relied upon to extract data from all the manifestos evenly. Just to bring that to life, imagine if we ask an agent trained on all the political manifestos about tax or healthcare or the economy. Its retrieval will likely be skewed because it won't consider variety of sources as any kind of virtue. This can lead to a problematic response. And to solve for this, you need precise agents chained together. So let's build some of those. The first thing to do is to create an agent. These simple couple of clicks is all it takes to provision all the infrastructure you need to start building Gen AI agents. Now, let's click into an agent and see how our platform really helps while you're trying to deliver quality. It's something you'll hear a lot from us, but the secret to quality is in the precision of the agent. So, is it in the right mode? Is it using the right information? And is it operating on the right large language model? Does it have clear instructions? Is it retrieving the optimal number of chunks at the right size for that use case? So while we're talking about retrieval, all of these agents are trained using our proprietary high performance and super flexible RAG pipeline. To quickly show that to you, you click from the agent screen into the knowledge repository. Every user or organization has their own knowledge repositories, which are completely private and not used for large language model training. We're interested in this manifestos folder, so we click here and we can see each individual document. If I want to add a new one, I simply click on Upload and select my file. These documents can then be indexed, which is effectively the RAG process of chunking and embedding to a vector database. These indexes are configurable, so they can contain multiple documents. Documents can be summarized for use cases involving really large volumes of documents, and chunk sizes can be set to help optimize retrieval. To repeat myself slightly, quality is about precision, so having control over all these variables is really helpful. So that's all you need to provision, train, and instruct a simple Gen AI agent. Let's go back into the platform though and see how we can help to go beyond building agents to building agents with trust and control. You can see here every agent comes with 4 tabs: instruct, secure, evaluate, and integrate. Let's start with evaluation. This is the nerve center of our platform. How do you build trust and control for a subjective technology like generative AI? You build small, precise agents in the way we've demonstrated, and then you make sure that every question, every response, and every retrieved chunk is logged, stored, and available for audit. We then run AI on AI evaluation, ensuring that a different large language model from the one that wrote the response is evaluating the responses for faithfulness. Is it faithful to the chunks it retrieved? Relevance, did it answer the question? And coherence, did it make sense? The score required against each of these measures should be set at the beginning of the design process using something we call evaluation driven design. This ensures that quality sits at the heart of your process. Of course, if you've hard coded your agents, it can be hard to iterate to deliver the quality you need. But using our platform, it's simple enough to amend the instructions, use a different large language model, or update the context it's trained on until you reach the quality level you need. Beyond evaluation, though, trust is also a function of how the agent is secured. On top of all the inherent security associated with the way our platform is architected, we also offer natural language guardrails to help prevent malicious prompting coming in or inappropriate content accidentally going out. Our platform also integrates seamlessly. It can surface through a configurable front end, but for most use cases, you'll require an API. And we've built agents that surface through Teams, Slack, WhatsApp, and of course, bespoke web front ends. So, we've built a single agent which is very precise and super high quality. It's built using all of our out-of-the-box tooling, so we're confident we can trust it, we have control over it, and it will be secure. But just for now, it's not super usable because it's so limited in scope. So how do I connect more than one of these agents together to build a more powerful use case? So that's where our fusion and sequence agents come in. Sequence agents run one agent after the other, which lends itself to a use case where data gets transformed through a workflow. For example, extracting code, turning it into natural language, and then doing a comparison against another document. This use case, though, lends itself to a fusion agent, where the query is sent to all the agents at the same time. They each respond, and then the fusion agent collects their responses and presents them in the way the user requested. You can see that all multi-agent workflows are simple drag and drop, and their use is super easy. So now I've built my multi-agent workflow. I run the same tax request I did earlier, and you can see the quality and completeness that I get back. So that's it. That's a really quick tour of the GreatWave AI platform. There is loads more to show you and to discuss. Please just reach out if you'd like to talk about how we might be able to help you with your project. Many thanks for watching.